Okay, now this is what and how to go about Kucoin. Now the first thing to do once you open the app, you click here or you click on assets to log in. Once you click on assets, it will prompt you to put in your fingerprints to open your account. If you are logging, if you are not logging, it will always be showing this screen. But the difference between when you are logging and when you're not logging is when you see your name at this top here. Like me, my name is showing here at this top here. That is one. Now, secondly, you see this thing here, this one here, this stuff here is to scan. Now you can actually scan this wallet and be using the computer version, the web version in your system if you don't want to use your phone. So you don't need to be typing username and password. All you just need to do is to scan. So if I click on it, let me click on it. It will say scan. Okay, that is that. So now if you check this place, this other part here, this thing you're seeing here is notification. That thing that looks like bell is whenever you transfer money outside or you receive money inside your wallet, that is when you get the notification. Or probably the app or probably the Kucoin company they sent a message based on promo or anything they are doing, you always see a notification there. Okay, like an advert or anything that is called activities in your trading platform, you see the notification there. Then this other part here is adverts. Okay, now what you're seeing here is different coin being listed. All these things you're seeing here is different coin. They are listing different coin, they are staking different coin, they are using anything the company want to do. The company will put the advert in this board you're seeing that is scrolling. Okay, you just see it there. Okay, this other part too is for adverts. This part you're seeing here that is scrolling, if you read carefully, is for adverts. Okay, why here to this part here is just three different coins being listed. Three different coins being listed. This one is Bitcoin, this one is Kucoin, this one is Ethereum. Okay, I will explain better. Now if you scroll from right to the left, you'll see that there are other coins as well. They can decide to list even more, but they just show you just the way they design the wallet so you can be seeing few of them. Okay, now another thing we should look at here is this part here. Here if you want to buy cryptocurrency, okay, well I will leave this part because I have a special tutorial for this part. Then this other part here, crypto friday, is just an advert. Okay, it's just an advert. This crypto friday is just an advert, just like the way Jumia is doing one or two things, selling things cheap or something like that. Margin trading, I will explain that one. That one is when we enter the tutorial of trading. This Kucoin win is where you do raffle draw. You bet in some money, some of your coin to win more. Okay, you might lose. Staking too is when you lend your coin to the platform and they will be giving you additional coins to your coin. Let me assume you lend them one Bitcoin. They will be giving you maybe small cryptocurrency like maybe Cardano or whatever cryptocurrency, but they'll be giving you coins small. Your coin just as if you are lending money out, just like the bank. They will use your money to do business and they will add interest. That is just what staking is. This crypto lending, the same thing. Reward hub is for, you don't really need this for now though. Trading bots, you don't really need this. It's a robot that trades for you even while you are not doing anything. You program the robot, you set it, say, okay, robot, trade for me, take profit for me, do that for me, the robot will work accordingly. If you click on more, you will see more of all this stuff. Okay, that is that. For the video not to be long, I'll stop here. I'll make another.